Hello guys, welcome to the Walk and Talk activity of Science Institute. I am Somil Dudagra and today I am going to conduct an interview of Mr. Harshal Shah, who is a digital marketer at Kumkum. So sir, my first question is that can you please tell me something about Kumkum?
So yes, basically Kumkum was founded by my father and my uncle before 28 years, and we are exclusive known for the bandhani.
Okay.
Our USP or our unique selling product is bandhani. There is a number of varieties available with us. So we are specially been known for our bandhani in different of varieties like saris, dupattas, dress materials, cholis, etc.
Okay. So sir, next thing I want to ask is that why you have chosen to go in this particular field, right? Because you are an actor, right? You have made short films too. So why you have chosen business, right, as your profession?
See, a glamour world have some limitations.
Yeah.
And when you are entering into the business, this is my family business which has been running from last 28 years, and we are a very well-known brand in Rajkot. So it was my personal belief that before, like, if I'm going in a glamour world, it will take me 5 to 10 years for my success. And you are like, we are very well known for that in glamour world.
Yeah.
The success is not that much easy that we are thinking. We have to struggle a lot. But while this is a business which has been established from last 28 years, and it would be easy for me if I'm coming in this my place and I will promoting my products more and more.
Yeah. Okay, so that was great. So what is unique about your product, right? And why should one choose your product instead of other products?
See, the uniqueness of my product is that we are
Yeah.
only dealing in bandhani,
Okay.
pure materials, and we have number of varieties in different materials like silk, georgette, and so many etc. materials. So if customer is coming and if she is fond of bandhani,
Yeah.
because bandhani is the most traditional and it is been known that it is the most rich product.
Okay.
Because we have been always found that if there is any function or if there is any celebration in our house,
Yeah.
then bandhani, each and every lady are wearing bandhani.
Yes.
So it is been said that without bandhani your function is not that much completed.
Yeah. So that is great. So that what are the different skills required for this business and as well as film industry?
First of all, we in all the industry,
Okay.
in textile or else in glamour world, we need patience.
Okay.
Because without patience you can't do anything. So if customer is coming with you, if customer likes your product, then you have to wait. Like she will ask so many we are very
Yeah.
known that especially this bandhani it's a field of choice. So customer will ask different colors, different design, and you have to show each and your every product with calm, with patience. Because
Yeah.
if you lose your temperament, then customer will get different options. And in current time, the competition has been increased so much that you have to provide each and everything to your client.
Okay. So is communication skills also important? right?
Communication skill is the most important.
Okay.
It has been said that it is the blood of our business. If we are not if we don't have a good communication skill, or if we don't have a good talking skill, then we would not be able to communicate with our customers.
Yeah. So sir, we all know that you were the student of Sir Institute,
Yes.
right? So which of the activity do you like the most?
The
of Sir
most
Institute?
I like the activity was of debate, because
Yeah.
in debate you are getting so many information. If you have something information, he will add on more to counter you. So by this you could be sharing knowledge to each other.
Yeah. And so next thing is that when you were in Sir Institute, you used to do short films.
Yes.
So can you please share some experience about short?
See, basically, we had made 2 short films,
Okay.
but the main motto behind the short film was that all the short films were in English. So that was a little difficult part for us, because when we are converting our mother language into some we are translating into in English, so some of the words which are being placing in Gujarati, but that can't show that emotions in English.
Yeah.
But it was one of the finest experience, because the way we were planning, the way we were executing the whole idea.
Yeah.
So it was one of my finest experience with the Sir Institute.
Yeah. And so lastly, I want to ask that what is your opinion about this Sir Institute and this is an walk and talk activity? So about that opinion too.
So I would like to suggest that if you want to know anything, if you want to be a part, or if you want to explore yourself, you must join Sir classes, because there you will get the exposure, because in nowadays exposure is the most necessity, and there is walk and talk activities it is a very nice, because if you are visiting each and every different field, you will get the knowledge of each and every different businesses. And this current time you must be aware what type of businesses are been running in our city or are been running in a society.
Yes.
So this is a very important, this is a very nice walk and talk activity which is conducted by Sir Institute.
Yeah. So thank you very much guys for joining. If you like my video, then please press like, comment and share the video.